Axie Infintiy value equivalent to $783.91 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $778 to $99, $798 to $48. The earlier day close $798 to $20. The change was 0.1429, 179%. Converse rate as to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.144 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.144, while lows are within 19. They found the middle value of costs on 134. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends on in 27. Change for August 11.8%. Us to Ax expectation for September 2024. Before all else costed saw 127 coins. Excessive costs saw 127, while lows are 102. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 117. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's ends on 110. Change for September 13.4%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for October 2024. Before all else costed saw 110 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.13, while lows are in 98. They found the middle value of cost to 107. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends 105. Change for October 4.5%. Us to Ax expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 105 coins. Exorbitant costs 105, while lows in 85. They found the middle value of cost 97. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends 91. Change for November 13.3%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 0.91 coins. Excessive costs are 91, while lows are in 74. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 84. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's ends are in 79. Change for December 13.2%. Us to Ax expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant costs 79, while lows are 63. They found the middle value of cost 72. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends 68. Change for January 13.9%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs 73, while lows are 63. They found the middle value of cost 68. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends 68. Change for February 0%. Us to Ax expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs are 70, while lows are 61. They found the middle value of cost 66. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends 65. Change for spring 4%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for April 2025. To start with cost at 0.65 coins. Exorbitant costs 69, while lows are in 60. They found the middle value of cost 65. The US to Ax figure toward the month's ends 64. Change for April 15%. US to Ax expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.64 coins. Exorbitant costs in 67, while lows own 58. They found the middle value of cost 63. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends 62. Change for May 1%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for June 2025. At the outset cost at 0.62 coins. Excessive costs 65, while lows end 56. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 61. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's ends 60. Change for June 2%. US to Ax expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 0.60 coins. Excessive costs are in 64, while lows are in 56. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 60. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's ends 60. Change for July 0%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant costs are 62, while lows are on 54. They found the middle value of cost 59. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 58. Change for August 3%. US to Ax expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at 0.58 coins. Exorbitant costs in 60, while lows in 52. They found the middle value of cost 57. The ICE to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.56, change for September 3.4%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for October 2025. To start with cost at 0.56 coins. Exorbitant costs 56, while lows may 45. They found the middle value of cost of 51. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.48, change for October 14%. ICE to Axie expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 0.48 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.60, while lows 1.48. They found the middle value of cost 0.53. The ICE to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.56, change for November 16.7%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy figure for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.56 coins. Exorbitant costs 72, while low zone 56. They found the middle value of cost 63. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 67, change for December 19.6%. US to Axie expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 0.67 coins. Excessive costs 0.85, while lows 67. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.75. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 79, change for January 17.9%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.96, while low zone 79. They found the middle value of cost 0.86. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end zone 89, change for February 12.7%. US to Axie expectation for walk 2026. In the first place cost at 0.89 coins. Exorbitant costs 115, while low zone 89. They found the middle value of cost 100. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 106, change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for April 2026. Before all else cost at 106 coins. Excessive cost 106, while low zone 86. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 98. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.92, change for April 13.2%. US to Axie expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 0.92 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.92, while lows on 74. They found the middle value of cost on 84. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.79, change for May 14.1%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for June 2026. To start with cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant costs on 79, while lows in 64. They found the middle value of cost on 73. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's